Little Storyteller.
Wizard Will lived in a cozy mushroom house in a sunny green meadow. He had a long blue robe with shiny silver stars and a tall pointy hat. Will loved magic, but sometimes he was a little too quick. He would wave his wand and say magic words without looking properly. One sunny morning, Will wanted to make a cup of yummy strawberry juice. He closed his eyes and swished his wand, chanting, "Juice so sweet, a tasty treat." Suddenly, he heard a funny ribbit. Will opened his eyes. On his head sat a little green toad instead of his blue hat. The toad blinked its golden eyes at him. "Oh dear," said Will. "I think I turned my hat into a toad." He giggled a little. The toad looked quite happy on his head. Will knew he had to change the toad back into his hat. He remembered a spell, "Hat of blue, return anew." He pointed his wand at the toad, but he looked very carefully this time. With a little sparkle, the toad turned back into Will's tall blue hat. Will carefully placed it on his head. "That was a silly mistake," he said, smiling. He learned that it was important to look closely when doing magic. From that day on, Wizard Will always looked carefully before casting a spell. He still loved magic, and now he was a much more careful wizard. The little toad hopped onto a big lily pad in the sparkling pond nearby. Will smiled at the toad. He learned that even mistakes can be a little bit funny, and it's always good to learn from them. Just like when you are drawing, looking carefully at what you are doing helps you make wonderful pictures.
Please subscribe. Thank you.